Hello my friends, welcome to Bunny Tales. Today we're going to make this fun Jaguar craft to learn about the letter J. I'm going to start by pre-cutting all the pieces we need. I'm going to cut out a quarter piece of orange paper and then I'm going to fold it like this so I can cut out the letter J without using a printed template. After cutting out the letter J, I'm going to use the leftover paper to make the rest of the Jaguar. I'm going to start out by drawing the head and cutting it out. Then I'm going to use this little scrap of paper to draw the ears, and then I'm going to cut those out as well. Next, I'm going to draw out the legs and the arms of the Jaguar, and I'm going to cut those out as well. Now I'm going to use a little piece of pink paper to cut out the inside of the Jaguar's ears. Hello my friend.
Hi.
Today we're going to learn about a new letter. Do you know what this letter is?
Yes, the letter J.
And we're going to make a Jaguar.
Yay, I love Jaguars.
Do you know any good stories about the letter J?
Yes, it's Jaguar's Jungle's Cleanup. I love that story.
It is a great story and you can watch it on Bunny Tales. You'll find the link below the video. To make this Jaguar craft, first we're going to glue the letter J onto the paper. And then we're going to glue the Jaguar's head. What do I need to glue after I glue the Jaguar's head?
The Jaguar needs 2 ears.
That's right, we're going to add 2 ears. After we add the ears, we're going to add the inside of the ears with these little pink cutouts. What does the Jaguar need now?
The Jaguar needs eyes.
That's right. We're going to add 2 eyes.
And now the Jaguar needs legs and arms.
That's right. I have these pre-cut out legs and arms. We're going to add them to the Jaguar.
The Jaguar needs a nose and mouth and whiskers.
That's right, we can use a pencil to draw the nose, the mouth, and the Jaguar's whiskers. A Jaguar is a big cat, so it has whiskers just like a cat and a lion. Does it look like a Jaguar now?
Not yet, it needs spots.
We can use these brown colored pencils to add spots to our Jaguar. You can add as many spots as you want, and you can make them any shape or size you want. Now does it look like a Jaguar?
Yes!
I really enjoyed making this craft with you. Did you enjoy it?
Yes, I did. I love Jaguars. They have cool spots.
Thank you for making this craft with me. Bye!
Bye!